If you accidentally deleted your call history on an Android phone and you want to get it back, this guide will show you how. You need to first check your phone's backup. Many Android phones include call history in their device backups. So go ahead and open your settings, scroll down and select the Google option. Go to all services, scroll down and find the backup option right here. Go ahead and select it. Now select other device data. Or if you have a Samsung phone, you can also check your Samsung account or other backup services you might use. And your phone carrier might also keep the record of your recent calls. So look at your carrier website or app and you might be able to see incoming or outgoing calls even if they deleted from your phone. And if you do not have recent backup and if you deleted your call history recently and you do not have any backup to go for, it might not be recoverable through the standard Android phone app. So be very cautious. The third party recovery apps, many claim to recover everything but might ask for unnecessary permissions or a payment without showing actual results. So if you restore an old backup, you might get your call history back. However, this can overwrite new information on your phone, so always check what the backup contains before you restore it. So last but not least, to recover deleted call history on Android, you need to check your device backups and your carrier records and avoid untrustworthy recovery tools. These are the safest methods to try and get your call history back. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.